Hello everyone, welcome to BilisummaaShow with Wayesa. So far, the TPLF release based inside Shagar Oromia have released two videos using guess who they are using these days. They are using Binam Kebede. Yes, Binam Kebede of the Ethiopian First. Yes, the TPLF release are camera shy now. They hiding totally behind individuals again like Binam Kebede, Abdulaziz, Mukhtar Kadir, Halemaram Desalegn, Asser Mamo, Abadullah Gamada, and many individuals. People like this are hiding behind these individuals. They think we don't know. They think we don't know. They really think we don't know that actually TPLF elites are using Abinam Kebede, Asser Mamo, Halemaram Desalegn, Abadullah Gamada. They think we don't know. Well, we know. Well, if you don't know, now you know. Now you know that, in my opinion, yes, look at me over here. In my opinion, the TPLF elites again are using the Ethiopian First, Mukhtar Kadir, Abdulaziz, Asser Mamo, Abadullah Gamada, Haileman Desalegn. Those individuals have been used, but the elites, the TPLF elites, the Tigrinya speaking government based inside Shagar Oromia. Binam Kebede, as I already told you, has released for the TPLF two videos again, title Hambon Kenya, Asilan Kenya, and next is gonna be Jiman Kenya. Just keep watching it. It's gonna release another video, Walagan Kenya. Soon it's gonna come to Burayu. Yeah, it's gonna tell us Burayu Kenya. Of course, the message at the bottom of these videos, this. We are our brothers and sisters. We are all Ethiopians. We are family. We are one people. Life is great. The economy is going great. This is that message. This is the message TPLF elites are releasing using the videos Binam Kebede. Yeah, this is the message again. We are one people. We are all Ethiopians. We are brothers and sisters. At the same time, the TPLF elites are giving orders to Gezi to kill Oromo students in Hambo, Jimma, Asela, Walaga, and many other places. The same time, the same people that are saying we are brothers and sisters, we are all Ethiopians, we are one people. At the same time, the same people are giving, this is my opinion again, in my opinion, the same people, the TPLF elites are based in Shagar Oromia, are giving orders to Agezi. Agezi, go do this, go kill Oromo students. Guess what? They're gonna go kill these Oromo students. At the same time, they are saying we are one people. We are brothers and sisters. We are family. Now, if you believe we are one people, we are brothers and sisters, the same people, the same message, and then they kill your brother, your sister, your relatives. And if you buy that, I don't think you will buy that. I don't think you believe the system, right? I don't think so. You are watching BilisummaaShow. My name is Wayesa. Yes, I'm gonna be here. I'm gonna share my knowledge, educate one person at a time. You are watching BilisummaaShow. My name is Wayesa. This is authentic media that you are watching right here on YouTube. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.